For hundreds of years, parsley has been utilized to flavor food. But did you know that it promotes weight loss through its diuretic properties? Powdered parsley is a spice that is added to seafood, marinades, soups, salads, and other everyday foods to make them taste better. Vitamins A and C are abundant in parsley leaves. Apioside, a type of flavonoid with diuretic characteristics, and apiol, an antioxidant phenol molecule, are both present in parsley. Here are a few of the typical ways parsley benefits your health. Parsley are known to stop carcinogens and slow the growth of cancer cells. Parsley is also known to reduce swelling and may be beneficial for treating rheumatoid arthritis. Parsley is a good way to treat urinary tract infections and other problems related to the kidneys. Additionally, parsley tea can be used to combat foul breath. Parsley roots are frequently used as a tea due to their cleansing and purifying properties. Parsley roots have diuretic properties. Parsley's leaves are only partially useful as a source of medicine because we typically eat only a small amount of this herb. For maximum benefit, it must be consumed in larger quantities. Here's a recipe for a parsley-infused tea that can help in the removal of excess water from the body. Consider the following. Ingredients: 5 tablespoons chopped parsley, 1 liter of water. How is this tea made? Boil the water. The parsley should then be added to the water and steeped for 25 minutes. Press the parsley bits out of the mixture by straining it. A little honey can be added for flavor. Use only organic honey if possible. You can now enjoy your tea. You can drink this tea all day to enhance your body's cleansing processes. This should help in weight loss. If you keep eating unhealthy foods all day, this drink won't help you lose weight. However, if you stick to a healthy diet, you'll see that it works. Your weight reduction efforts will be successful. Give the video a thumbs up and share it with your friends if you enjoy it. Subscribe for more advice and recipes.